Today we're talking about the online permission slip module. This is a very, very popular module with the schools. It allows the school administrator to upload a permission slip. They simply enter a title, field trip to the zoo, for example. In fact, let's say we're going to the park. They can select a date. Let's make sure it's in the future, not the past. The time they're leaving. They can enter the information in the box below that they wish the parent to view. They can enter a map. So we could say Somerset Road. Greenpoint. Click submit. The next page allows the administrator to either select children from a specific class or a group. The school has the ability to create groups such as aftercare, soccer, swimming, what have you. Once you've selected which class or group you want, you then are presented with the different children, just so you have the confidence to know which parents will be receiving the permission slip. You can either deselect a child or add a child. You can send the slip now, preview it, or save it for later. So we are going to send the slip now. Okay, that's sent. This is a summary of all the permission slips that you've sent to date. You can view the parent replies to see who has replied to it, see if permission's been granted for Sue by the parent, and you can view the parent's signature. The parent would simply click, well, first of all, they would receive an email that looks like this. It would be automatically add the parent's name and automatically add the school's default auto signature and logo. The parent would click the link, and this would load the permission slip. So the parents would see this. Gives the it would be addressed to the parent, both parents. Gives the title, the description, the date, the time, the venue. It attaches a map, and then the parent could say, I do give permission or I do not give permission, and they can digitally sign it either on the computer or on their phone and click submit.